I am a 1776 sure no one will be taking my guns. Hey, we don't like your kind around here. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you little niggas real quick. I guess we can do a new intro. Yeah, we're doing the intro real quick. Two, what's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B. We back in this mode, another video. And we got a biker right here. Brother. And today I want to talk about the Yamaha R7, man. Alright. So if you guys have not known, man, that brand new 2026 Yamaha R7 has everything. I think that might be the greatest. I think that might be the bike of the year. I'm not even gonna hold you, man. So with the 2026 Yamaha R7, you guys, it comes with everything. All right. First thing first, let's just talk about the new specs and text with the brand new Yamaha R7. I don't know what that is. Is that like some type of chrome or something, bro? That should look cool as hell. He rocking the Dainese jacket, and it might be like a showy RL 1400 or something like that. Whatever that helmet is. But anyways, man, the brand new R7 has pretty much all the tech that the Yamaha R9 has, and probably some more. All right. So it has a brand new display. It has a up and down quick shifter, which is super new because my homie told me his R7 didn't even have a up and down quick shifter or have a quick shifter at all. So that's nice, especially for the beginner riders, man. So if you're a beginner rider, man, the R7 like is really a big bang for your buck. No cap, man. Another thing too that it has is they recreated and redesigned a new swing arm for the R7. They got a new swing arm, a new frame they mentioned, which it helps with it to be more stable and stuff like that. They also changed the riding position of the bike as well. I seen that on their website, man. I will be sure to include a link so y'all can go check out the bike, and they got a variety of different colors as well. We're gonna touch down on those colors here in a little bit. But anyways, man, they have a brand new swing arm. They changed up the riding position. They say they raised up the handlebars as well, so it's going to be more of a comfortable bike than the previous models here, man. So like I said, I think you getting your bang for your buck, and I believe this is probably going to be the bike of the year. Oh man, shout out to Yamaha for killing the game with that, man. And I believe that bike retails for like $9,000, a little over $9,000, somewhere around there. So again, great bang for your buck. Y'all let me know, would you choose the Yamaha R7 or would you go with the Yamaha R9? You get a bit more power. You come from a twin to a triple. Honestly, I like the way the you know, I'm stuttering on that one, but I like the way the twins sound, if I'm being honest with you. And I was riding with a Yamaha not Yamaha, but I was riding with it was a Yamaha. I was riding with an MT-07, and doggone, his bike sounded crazy, man. His bike sounded super crazy. Y'all be sure to follow me on my TikTok. You get to see what his bike sound like, man. His bike sound absolutely nuts, man. But anyways, going back to the colors on the Yamaha R7. Let's hop on the bike before we talk about these colors. Let me get back on these beats, man. You know what I'm saying? They get back on that ride. It getting a little heated out there. I feel like a toaster strudel in this bit. Hands up, hands in the air. I don't even know my... I don't even know if that's a female or a dog. I'm unsure. I was gonna blow a kiss, but it might be a nigga. Woo! I ain't want to do that. That was terrible. I tried to do a blipper. I tried to do a bleep bleep. Let me see if we can do it. We'll try that again. There you go. But yeah, man. So the Yamaha 2026 R7 has 4 colors. You got the all black Mac Raven. You have the, of course, the Yamaha blue. You got the 70th. You got the 70th anniversary color, which is the white, red, and black. I think that's a dope color scheme. Not gonna lie, it looks better than the 2025. And You have the Scion with the matte Raven. That color looks absolutely insane. If I was to get an R7, bro, that would be the color I get. I'm pretty sure that one's gonna be super hard to get. I'm not even gonna lie. I think that's gonna be super hard to grab. Everybody's probably going after that color, because I know I would, man. That color looks freaking amazing, man. Y'all let me know which of the 4 colors look the best to you. Me personally, y'all know I'm an all black matte type of guy. Y'all see the R9 ski, but oh my gosh, man, I don't think I can pass up on that Scion with that Raven black. I don't think I can do that, man. With the wheels, it just, I don't know, it kind of gives me like a Gixxer vibe scheme. But hey, that color looks dope as freak, bro. Oh my gosh, just thinking about it, man, that looks dope. But anyways, man, y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know your thoughts and opinions below about the Yamaha R7. Would you grab the Yamaha 07 over the, let me say, what's a good competitor? I don't know. What's competing with the R7? Maybe like a Ninja 400 RR? Huh? Maybe? Ninja 400 RR? Which one would you get? Probably the R7. Ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, probably the R7. And it's cheaper too. Yeah, probably the R7. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below, man. The 2026 model R7, man. I think it's probably like gonna be the bike of the year to me. I think it's the bike of the year, man. With all those technology it has, like it literally is basically like a R9 package mixed with a little bit of the R1 put into the R7, bro. Like that. Hey, man, you can't go wrong with that mud, man. You just can't go wrong. But anyways, man, appreciate you guys for watching. As always, man, I'm always down below in the comments showing love, man. If you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that sub button, like up the video, follow me on my socials as well. I'll be posting a lot of content over there, a lot of them that you haven't seen. So if y'all feel like I'm not active enough, I'm active over there, them TikToks and my YouTube shorts, Be Twice Shorts, man. So everything will be in the description, man. Be sure to check it out, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace. That's been it bit right here though. Hold on before y'all leave. That's been that motherfucker. I wanted to.